You don't need to spend hours writing LinkedIn posts. I'll show you how to use AI to create content in minutes without losing your voice. AI isn't replacing content creators, it's empowering them. The trick is knowing how to guide it, not copy it. Step 1. Use AI to brainstorm ideas. Feed it your niche and tone, it'll help you generate post angles instantly. Step 2. Draft faster. AI can structure your post, but you add the personal story and insights. The blend of machine and human creates magic. Step 3. Edit ruthlessly. AI is fast, but it's your voice that connects. Edit for tone, clarity, and rhythm. Step 4. Repurpose. Use AI to turn one post into 5. Carousel, newsletter, script, or video outline. AI is your creative assistant, not your replacement. When you use it right, it helps you show up more and stress less. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more marketing tips and tricks.